Installing a processor and heatsink. Press the processor down to secure the unmarked end under the clip on the carrier. Carefully push the long sides of the carrier down and away from the processor. Press the processor down to secure the sides under the clips on the carrier. Apply 0.3 milliliters of new thermal grease to the top of the processor. Install the heatsink onto the processor carrier. Press the carrier into place until the clips at all four corners engage. Install the processor heatsink module into the system board socket. Push the anti-tilt wire bales inward. Fully tighten the Torx T30 nuts following the installation sequence shown on the heatsink label. Install the following components. If necessary, the processor and memory expansion tray, the air baffle, the top cover,